In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process how to scrape YouTube comments from a YouTube video without needing any Python code, script, or YouTube API. So without much ado, let's jump onto this tutorial. So first, go and open this URL on your browser. It's YouTube Alfred's free YouTube comment scraper. Open any video that you want to scrape comments for. So I will copy this URL. He asked AI to make money, it did. So it's a podcast that I love. Next, go to this page, paste your URL and click on scrape comments. Give it a couple of seconds and it will start scraping all the comments. So we'll see the preview over here, and then it will also give us an option to download the comments. So yeah, we have 250 comments, 256 authors, and 4,788 likes. So the cool thing about the scraping method is that it has all the metadata, the likes, the reply thread, the emojis, everything. Now you can download as a CSV, JSON, or Excel, whatever you like. Let me show you the CSV. Now this is the CSV that we just downloaded, and you can see the comment ID, the exact comment that was made, published time, author name, author channel ID, author avatar, then also like, replies, comment, everything. And you can also preview some of the comments over here. Now this is a free tool and it is very limited on how many comments and how many videos you can scrape per day. Now if you have a big project that requires multiple videos and thousands of comments to scrape, you must try Tube Alfred's paid version. So once you sign into Tube Alfred paid version, this is the window that you see, scrape comments from a YouTube video URL. So you can just paste the same, or we'll try this video. So this is an English speaking tutorial and it has 14,000 comments. So very good case study for us. So copy this, paste the video URL and click on quick scrape. Now this goes to the job and it is queued. The scraping is happening on the server. So now with YouTube data API or Python script, you need to kind of spend time and effort learning those stuff, setting it up, and all those extra work that is not valuable for you. With the Tube Alfred's comment scraper, everything is taken care of. All you need is to provide your URL and you are done. Now, while this is still extracting 14,000 comments, you can go and click on channels over here. We can select this channel, click on this Ahrefs channel. You can select the URL for any public channel. Now, if you look at the videos, it has 366 videos. Paste the YouTube channel link, create workspace, and now it is processing. So it will give you a list of all the YouTube videos that the channel has. You can select or pinpoint which video comments you want to scrape. So we go to channel, and if you can see, ready to scrape, click on this. So we have 332 videos. So it did not have all 366 videos that was displayed in YouTube. Maybe some of the videos were not public, it went unlisted or private, or maybe that were deleted. So now you have in this workspace. Next you can just select this, no scraped yet from this workspace. So these are estimating time from the server, how much time will it take, so ignore them. Or you can just select all the videos that you want to scrape, 3,000 comments, and then queue 3 videos, and it will scrape in the backend. And again, you can download it as a CSV or a JSON file. And just to look into the previous exports that we have, just click on exports, and this is what we scraped. So 1,040 comments are there, and we can download the CSV file. And here you go, all the comments. Then you can take this comment, put them in ChatGPT or Claude, and do your analysis or any research thing that you intend to do with the comment in the first place. I hope this helps. Subscribe to our newsletter to receive new YouTube strategies and tips.